What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Mike, and today we are going to make emotional rap type beat. So let's get straight into it. Alright, so I have all the sounds that I want to use in this video ready. The first thing is we're going to open Omnisphere. I've chosen this finger style acoustic strings from the guitar pack. So let's get into piano roll, and now let's start making melody. So it's coming good. Alright, so I think the melody is coming good, so let's listen to it. Alright, so I think here is a little bit slow, so Alright, so now we're going to get the root notes. Alright, so now we're going to put them octave down. Just control down arrow. Let's do this. So put on the mixer here. Now let's go to let's open Nexus. Now let's add the sub bass. So we go in a toxic biohazard, and then this almost lead bass. We're just going to follow the root note. Alright, so let's put some attack on the mixer here. Let's add EQ, and then let's remove some high end. Alright, something like that. So let's add some volume here. Alright, now I think we can start making drums. So let's start with the snare. Alright, so now the drum sounds good. Let's add the 808. Alright, so on the 808 we are going to just copy the kick pattern. So Control C, and then let's paste on the 808. Control V. Now let's put them into the right key. to arrange it. We're going to start with a guitar first, so let's delete this. Yeah, it sounds good. Alright, so I think let's open Arcade. Let's find some vocals. Alright, so I found this vocal. Arcades. Let's also open Arcade. Yeah, I like this sound. Yeah, I think it's going to work. Yeah. Let's get that one. Sounds good. Alright, so I think now it sounds good. So yeah, so what I'm going to do is finishing arranging it. I'll add some maybe some crash and everything, then I'll be right back. I'm done arranging it, so it's done. Now let's listen to it. So the intro. So I found this again from our Arcade. So here start with the chorus here. First verse. So I went crazy with the vocals here. Let me know who you think can kill this type of beat. Let me know in the comment. So yeah, that's it. That's the end of the beat. Sorry for the audio quality. I think my PC is like burning right now. So if you like this type of videos, please like, subscribe, share. Till next time, peace.